Hello everyone and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on XRP, so I hope you're all having a happy Thanksgiving wherever you are in this great world. We're going to talk about XRP, and once again, this is the one-day chart. We're sitting here at $2.22. XRP right now is just going sideways and I'm waiting for the next leg up. But XRP looks really strong right now, and look at Bitcoin back above 91K. Everybody's starting to get excited once again because they're wondering if this is the moment we've been waiting for. Is Bitcoin going to continue upward, taking the rest of the market with it? We got to see what happens next. It's way too soon to say we are so back, because I see a lot of people also saying that this is a pump before the next leg down on Bitcoin as well, but I'm optimistic. I think XRP is going to continue upward from here, and look at the Fear and Greed Index. It's back at 18. Back on the 21st of this month, it dropped all the way down to 10. I never seen it at 10 ever, and that was through the worst times in crypto. We never went that low. So the fear in this space is absolutely incredible right now. And still a lot of people are very fearful of what happens next. And like I said, it's Thanksgiving again. And I know a lot of you are going to be very anxious to talk about crypto at the dinner table. But one thing I got to remind you of, not everyone shares your vision, and never argue about crypto. Tell them, listen, it's a great investment if you want to make a lot of money, but leave it up to them. Don't high-pressure sale your family members into getting into crypto. And definitely do not tell them it's an up-only game. Way too many people do that. They're like, crypto is up only. Put your money in and you'll be rich within 30 days. Then all of a sudden Bitcoin ends up tanking out and taking the rest of the market with it. And right away they're like, what did I just get myself into? And the one thing I definitely got to stress though, is this. Time is running out on XRP. What's being talked about right now? Scarcity. For the first time ever, scarcity is talked about more than anything else when it comes to XRP. And that's because the institutional money is finally flowing into this space. And if you're not jumping in now, there's a good chance you're going to be paying a premium for XRP very soon. And a lot of ETFs are still set to go live still. So you're not too late yet, but that window is closing. And I'm telling you, XRP, when it finally starts to break out, I think it's going to move very quick when it happens. But definitely don't argue about crypto at the dinner table. The 12 crypto scams of Christmas. Don't let a holiday scam be the one gift you didn't ask for. I thought this was a great post because this shows you all the scams that are out there. The fake giveaway. A celebrity or company promises to multiply crypto if you send coins. That's like Ripple doubling your bag. Those AI Brad Garlinghouse videos that you see on YouTube. The phishing card. A holiday gift notification asks you to log into your wallet to view it. You gotta avoid those as well. A charity lookalike. Fraudsters copy real charities and collect crypto donations. The fake wallet app. A lookalike wallet on App Store steals your seed phrase during setup. The holiday romance investor. Scammers pressure one last investment before the year's end. The guaranteed holiday yield. A platform promises huge holiday profits with fake dashboards. The shipping notification trap. A text or email demands action to release a holiday package. Beware of those as well. The public Wi-Fi wallet hijack. Wallet access over airport. Wi-Fi exposes keys and logins. The holiday tax threat. Criminals impersonate the IRS demanding crypto as tax payment. The fake support safe wallet. A support agent directs you to move funds to a secure address. The fake holiday NFT mint. A limited NFT drop drains your wallet when you mint. The false recovery agent. Someone claims they can retrieve your funds if you hire them today. Avoid all of those scams, and definitely do not talk to the bots in the comments section down below. Don't fall for anything that looks too good to be true. We see so many people falling for those AI videos. I don't get it. How can you not see that that's an AI brag? Garlinghouse or David Schwartz or Stuart Alderati promising to double your XRP bag. No one is doubling your XRP bag. Definitely avoid the scams. XRP yearly candles form the cup and handle. The pattern is waiting for a bigger surge. Supports $1.88, $2.10, targets $5.85, $18.22, and $36.76. This comes from Dark Defender, and he's been pretty spot on with his charting throughout one of the most unpredictable cycles we have ever seen. It's a messy cup and handle, but still, it's a cup and handle. So could this be the beginning of the breakout that we've been waiting for? I would love to see XRP go full parabolic starting now. That would be absolutely incredible. Could you imagine where we would be by Christmas? Every single XRP holder would have a hell of a Merry Christmas. That's for sure. But we're also looking at scarcity this year as well. A lot of people are very adamant that the dark pools are almost out of XRP. Same thing with the over-the-counter desk. So it is very possible that happens. Bitcoin reaches 90K again, but how long until it retreats? So the first thing that they're saying is that when something goes up, it must come down. So right away they're saying expect a dump on Bitcoin. I'm just not so sure of it yet. I want to see where Bitcoin goes from here. Let's see what the next 48 hours looks like. If it continues up throughout today and then again tomorrow, then I'm going to say we are on our way. But if it goes up and then all of a sudden some sort of news drops bringing the price back down, of course it's just another delay. Nobody really knows what's going to happen next. Everybody's speculating still. You have the hype guys that are like, this is the moment, we've been waiting for this for almost 6 months now. Here comes a new all-time high. But then you also have the doom and gloom people. Every time that the price goes up, they want it to come back down. They want to be proven right by saying that a dump is coming. All you got to do is give it a little bit of time and you'll be able to see which direction we're going in. This comes from Ash Crypto, and I thought this was a great post. One thing I have learned in crypto this year is that after fear, extreme fear comes after dump. Bigger dump comes after capitulation. Even bigger capitulation happens after a big dip. Another generational dip comes no matter how bad the conditions are, it always gets even worse. And that's what this cycle has been like. Because every time it looked like crypto was ready to break out right away, a crash happened. And then all of a sudden we wait through the crash, we start heading back up, everything looks great. Then there's tariff talk, bringing it back down once again. It's been like that all throughout this year. And that's why I said it's the most unpredictable cycle we have ever seen in crypto. I'm just hoping that we start to turn around heading into the rest of the year. Still pending. These are ETFs that are still pending. So we got 21 shares, Wisdom Tree, Hashtags, Coin Shares, Pro Shares, Volatility Shares, and a potential filing before the end of the year could come from Fidelity, BlackRock, ARK Invest, and State Street. The one that I think everybody's hoping for is that BlackRock ETF. If BlackRock was to file for an XRP ETF, of course that alone will pump the price of XRP. But I think there's something bigger going on between BlackRock and Ripple. They don't talk about each other ever. Larry Fink can't talk about Ripple. Can't talk about XRP. Brad once in a great while mentions Larry Fink's name, but doesn't go into any type of detail there. I think there is a very strong NDA in place. But those first 6, those are coming in the short term. And we already know a lot of XRP is leaving circulation at the same time. And the demand is astronomical for an XRP spot ETF.